welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great, amazing and fab. So today's video I'm gonna be talking about foundation, how to apply foundation. Now one of my subscriber named Firdos Salman Sheikh, she requested me to do a contour and highlighting video tutorial. You know what, I thought I'll start from the beginning, like how to apply foundation, how to contour and highlight, eyeshadows. So yep, it goes on. So for the very first time I'm starting series. Yes, oh my god, for the very first time I'm too excited for this series. So in this series I'm gonna be sharing you from the basic, like makeup basic, how to apply foundation, contour, highlight, you know. So yep, if you have any other video requests, let me know in a comment section. So let's move on to the topic for which you have clicked on this video. Foundation plays a really big role when it comes to makeup. Yes guys, foundation is the most important step for a bomb.com makeup look. So yeah, if you don't apply your foundation correctly in a perfect way, you will end up cakey foundation. Your foundation will not last for a longer period. To get a perfect base, you need to follow steps before applying your foundation and after applying your foundation. Yes guys, and also the foremost thing is your skincare. You need to follow a good skincare routine, that is cleansing, toning and moisturizing. I think that's really important for every single person. Cleansing, toning, moisturizing is a must guys. Following these 3 steps every single day helps a lot in makeup application. Your foundation sits really well onto your face and you will not experience any cakiness or any issues related to foundation. Also guys, you need to exfoliate your skin every single week. Yes guys, exfoliator helps a lot. It helps in removing the dead skin cells from your skin, and it also minimizes the appearance of blackheads on your nose. So yep, you need to exfoliate every single week. You can't use a daily exfoliator, then I think you should definitely exfoliate your skin with a good scrub every single week. Step number 1, cleansing. Yes guys, you need to cleanse your face before foundation application. Whether you are going for a natural everyday makeup look or whether you are going for a glam makeup look, you need to cleanse your face. Makeup should always be applied to a clean canvas, so always wash your face with a good cleanser. Step number 2, toning. Yes guys, many of us ignore toners, but toners helps a lot. If you have a oily skin, you need to tone your face before foundation application. It removes the impurities from your skin. So yeah, tone your face. I'm using W2 Wide Weight Skin Toner in Raspberry variant. Really love this toner. It's good for dry skin. If you have a dry skin, then do give it a try. I have an extreme dry skin, so yeah, this is an amazing toner. Step number 3, moisturize. Now if you have a dry skin or whether you have a oily skin, you need to moisturize your face before foundation application. You need to lock in the moisture. So yeah, I am using Garnier Wrinkle Lift cream. I started using this cream since I saw a video of Malvika Sitlani. I freaking love her. So yeah, she highly recommend this cream. She have a dry skin, even I have a dry skin. Now if you have a dry skin, then do give this a try. I'm really loving the effect of this cream. Also, this cream is really lightweight. It does not feel any weight on your face. Let's set moisturizer on your face. Wait for 5 minutes before applying your primer. Give the moisturizer a chance to work. So yep, now our skin is all ready for our next step. We're gonna be priming our skin. You're gonna prime your skin using a good makeup primer. I'm using Lakme Blur Perfect Primer. Apply primer on your T-zone area, like where you have lot of pores, like your cheeks, nose, forehead, cupid's bow, chin. This is your T-zone area. So apply the primer where you have lot of pores. Once you are done applying, spread the rest product entirely. You're gonna give another 5 minutes for your skin for the primer to get settled down into your skin. Once you are done with your primer, you're gonna color correct your face. I'm gonna be color correcting my under eye circle using Kiss Beauty Contour and Concealer palette. I'm gonna pick up the yellow, deep yellow color corrector from the palette, and I'm gonna apply it onto my under eyes. Now if you have breakouts onto your face, you need to use a green color corrector onto the area where you have breakouts. So I'm gonna apply this color corrector with the help of my blending brush. Then once I'm done, I'm gonna be blending this concealer using my ring finger. The heat of our body melts down the products, so it's easy to blend out any concealer with the help of your fingertips. Now that our 5 minutes over, we're gonna be applying a foundation. For my foundation, I'm gonna be using Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 115 Ivory. It's a liquid foundation. It's great for oily as well as for dry skin type people. And definitely apply foundation with the help of a foundation brush, big kabuki brushes. While many kinds of brush can be used, like top foundation brush, the best ones are the dense flat top brush, which I don't have with me, but I do have the foundation brush. But I definitely like to use a beauty blender. Beauty blender gives a really natural and airbrush kind of a look. So yeah, I definitely like to use beauty blender. When applying the foundation with the help of a damp beauty blender, make sure you are dab and pressing the foundation into your skin instead of rubbing the foundation. Pressing the foundation in will create a flawless finish. Your foundation will sit on your face really smoothly, very, it gives a really nice flawless finish. After foundation application, we're gonna be highlighting our face. I'm gonna be highlighting my under eye area using Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade Light Reggae. All the shade name and product name will be mentioned in the description box for you guys. I freaking love this concealer. It's an amazing concealer. I think you all should definitely give it a try. I'm gonna apply this concealer in a triangle shape. I'm also going to apply this concealer onto my upper eyelid. If you use a concealer onto your upper eyelid, you don't need a different product, eye primer, to prime your face. This is going to help in priming your eyelid area. Then of course you're gonna take your damp beauty blender and you're gonna blend it everything into your skin. To set this concealer on place, you need to powder your under eye area. I like baking. Baking suits me well, so I'm gonna be using Lakme whitening rose powder. I'm gonna take this powder onto my damp beauty blender and I'm just gonna pack this powder right under my eye, like where I applied my concealer. Next, I'm gonna be setting the rest of my face using Maybelline Fit Me Compact in the shade Classic Ivory. So yeah, I'm gonna take this compact onto a big fluffy brush and I'm gonna apply it onto the rest of my face where I didn't bake my face. So baking is totally optional, guys. If you do like baking, you can go ahead and do it, and if you don't like it, you can set your entire face using a compact. So yeah, you are done, guys. Your base makeup is done. So yeah, with that I finished this video. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, then please do not forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up. Please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet done. The subscribe button is right below the screen. Hit on the subscribe button. It may not hurt you, but it will definitely mean a lot to me. Also hit on the bell button so that you get notified every time I post new videos or updates. See you guys super soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye guys.